Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashudu Masuta. The JSE gained 0.33% to close on 27,942 points. We spoke to Johan Marais from ABSA looking at the gold.
Primarily gold currently is the safe haven, and possibly investors is less tuned into the very short-term news and more over the long term. Whether that will pan out, well, that's a different question clearly, but definitely the momentum is in the gold price. When the news came out today, which people were waiting for, the US news, the labor news, it did fall by $10. There were some people are saying it can easily go to 1,220. It did not. So it would appear that that support is most certainly still there.
Today, the NSE closed up by 0.16% to close on 24,241 points. We spoke to Bankole Adusanya of United Bank for Africa, looking at the trend on the market.
It's not as a result of any major news. It's because prices have dropped in the last few weeks as a result of the information that came out as to the limits of exposure banks can have to the capital market. So you see speculators and investors coming in to take advantage of drop in price. Of course, it's month beginning, and you expect that as the month goes on. When they have narrow spreads on what on these positions, they'll take their profits, and so it goes on up and down.
The Nairobi Stock Exchange's main 20 share index ended the day weaker by 0.2% to close on 4,437 points. We spoke to Kenneth Minjire from Genghis Capital, looking at the volumes traded today.
Today, despite the downward pressure yesterday, we saw a lot of local fund managers come in to take up buy positions, which played a key role in the turnover because it was up to about 288 million from yesterday's low of about 204 million. So I think in the coming weeks we should see improvement in the market, market activity, as we see fund managers coming in to take up positions in stocks which they feel are well priced.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.